cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend.
Hola, good morning, bonjour. What's going on? It's your girl Cherie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe before you go, because we've got lots more Vlogmas things coming. And make sure you hit that post notification bell as well, so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm at work, as you guys can see in the back. It's giving very much office. This Vlogmas video is actually going to be a cook with me / clean with me video. The reason why I wanted to record that is because yesterday I made a pretty healthy dish, definitely under 500 calories. If you guys are returning viewers or returning subscribers, then you would know that I started a fitness series on my channel. So what that entails is basically letting you guys know how I lost weight over the last year to 2 years from diet, exercise, habits, and other things that I did to aid in my weight loss. Of course, I'm not a weight loss professional or anything like that, but clearly what I was doing and what I have been doing has been working. So I wanted to share my habits and my meals, my exercises, and my additional tips with you guys. So the meal that I made yesterday was very healthy, very keto friendly if you take out the rice. It was basically a turkey bowl. I love turkey tacos. I wanted to do a remix on turkey tacos that was more healthy, that was less carb based. So instead of doing turkey tacos for myself, I did a turkey bowl for myself, and then I did turkey tacos for my boyfriend, who doesn't really care about all of the carbs and things. So I brought you guys along. I just used raw vegetables that I cut up myself, as you guys will see. I used a pack of ground turkey and just 2 cups of white rice. So again, use or don't use the white rice. You can substitute for brown rice, quinoa. You can substitute for, I think they have cauliflower rice now. However you want to make this bowl more healthy, you can do so. But do keep in mind that when having a healthy diet, you do want to have all 3 food groups in each meal. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in to this cook with me and clean up after we cook with me video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you do. Got you scared of what to do.
Spider, text. Yeah, 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 yeah. First I want for sure you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Millis, but I had switched the motor. I got a badass bitch running around this bitch named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, I told her style my knit. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to get. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can toss to the lid. Before she can toss to the laptop, I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash that she woozing. 20 watches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you Merkle, my show you my Gucci. I had to sing to the stuff like Latusi. Yeah. Nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. I got him out where I need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood neck, I got the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street need. Only one she got hit at the street need. I feel a little rich this week, influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I call Gina Jyneen just a Glocky key. We rollin' 60, up in seats, we rollin' that coupe with a bucket seat. Got it up mud like a football cleat, I use a drop out of that photo key. Turn up the plug and he know what I need, stay underneath so we hardly speak. I'm in New York, counting money, yeah. In the summer, man, I'm stunning, yeah. Wanna live, I wanna love me, yeah. My wife, you know, love me, yeah. Bitch had an X stain on her jeans, I know she fucking with them. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Playing the whole song. Playing the whole song. Oh my God. I'd be like, are they gonna play all the songs on the album?
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby.
Say my name,
That's why my eyes are a shade bloodthirsty. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Okay, you guys, that's it for this cook and clean with me Vlogmas video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to this point. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the Lux fam. Become a Lux babe. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you're a Lux babe. Also, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I know it doesn't seem that crucial, but for my analytics, it is. So definitely make sure you hit that post notification bell. Thumbs up this video if you like what you saw. And I will see you guys in the next episode of Vlogmas. Make sure you keep it tuned in here like TV, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Beat the mistletoe.